Command Center, this is the President. The investigation is finished.
Send the FBI and the Secret Service to the house on Oak Street.
They must pay for what they did. What is happening?
We are good people.
You are under arrest for severe child abuse and neglect. These are orders from the President of Kidsland.
The President? Why does the President care about us? We are nobody!
How did a lonely boy with no home become the most powerful leader in the world?
How did he go from the cold streets to the White House?
This is a story about a boy named Leo, a dog named Buddy, and a rare cat named Barnaby.
This is the story of justice. Stop crying right now. You think your tears are gonna fix this mess. You are completely useless. I told you to clean this floor hours ago. Get to it now! Leo is looking at my breakfast. He wants my food. Tell him to stop. He is scary. Leo, keep your eyes on the floor. You are a servant in this house. You don't deserve pancakes. Go to the corner and eat your plain rice. It is more than you deserve. But stepmom, I cleaned the kitchen and the bathroom. I worked all morning. I am very hungry. Quiet. Your father works hard all day. You are just a burden.
You are lucky we don't put you in the trash.
Watch this, loser. You are going to be in so much trouble today. Daddy!
Huh?
Daddy!
Come quick.
Leo,
What did you do? That vase was a gift from my grandmother. It was priceless.
I didn't touch it, Dad. I was on my knees scrubbing the floor. Mia pushed it with her own hand.
Stop lying. I am tired of your lies.
Olivia is right. You are a destructive brat. You have no respect for this family.
You only bring sadness to this house.
Ethan, I can't endure this anymore. He is dangerous. It is him or me. If he stays in this house, I leave.
Fine.
Leo, go to your room and pack one small bag.
You are leaving this house right now.
Don't come back until you learn how to behave.
You are no longer my son.
Dad, please. It is dark and raining. I have nowhere to go. I am only 7.
I don't care. Go find a new family. You are not welcome here.
Leo was only 7 years old.
He had no money, no food, and no home.
But he had his best friend, Buddy.
Do you think this is fair to Leo?
Please comment 1 if you liked the video, or click like if you did not. Don't worry, buddy. I found a small piece of bread in the trash. We can share it. We have to be strong. One day, things will be better. I promise.
Look up there. It is Barnaby. He is the president's rare savanna cat. He escaped from the balcony and now he is stuck.
The ledge is too narrow.
If we try to climb, the cat will jump and fall. It is too dangerous for us.
I can do it. I am small and light. I can climb the pipe and reach him easily.
Kid, that is 50 feet high. You will fall and get hurt.
The cat is scared. I know what it feels like to be trapped and alone. I am not afraid. Hey, Barnaby.
It is okay. I am a friend.
I have a dog named Buddy. We can all be friends. Come here, boy.
Young man, you are incredibly brave.
You saved him. My name is Leo, sir. Where are your parents, Leo?
Why are your clothes so old and dirty?
No parents, so... They threw me out because I wasn't perfect. I live under the bridge with my dog.
No child should ever be thrown out. In this country, kindness is more important than perfection. From today, you and your dog will live with me in the White House. Welcome home.
Every page turned brought new knowledge, helping me grow, preparing me for what lies ahead.
History isn't just dates and names. It's understanding the people who came before us.
This trajectory on the chart explains the orbital mechanics we discussed earlier.
I see. So the gravitational pull accounts for the deviation. These are the revised projections, sir.
Thank you, Leo. Let's move to page 3. It's not just about the legislation itself, sir. It's about how it connects with people's everyday lives.
Empathy is key to leadership.
Leo grew up with the best teachers.
He studied law and history.
But he never forgot the cold rice.
And the rainy night.
He promised that when he had power, he would protect all children.
Leo, I am tired now. I am old.
They're sicker.
This country needs a leader who understands the heart of the people. You have lived in a palace, but you also lived under a bridge. You know what is fair. I want you to be the next president.
I will not let you down, sir. I will build a country where no one is invisible. I will make sure everyone is treated fairly. Today, I am your president.
My first law is the Child Protection Act. No parent is allowed to ignore or hurt their child.
We will build schools with free pancakes for every student. Every child is a citizen of Kids Land.
But he had to face his past.
Please comment 1 if you liked the video, or click like if you did not.
Is it really you? We saw you on the news. We were always so proud of you.
We made a mistake, Leo.
We were stressed. We are your family. Please help us.
Family does not lie.
I found the old security tapes from that house. I saw the video.
I saw Mia push the vase. I saw you smile when I was crying.
You didn't want a son, you wanted someone to blame.
Please, Leo.
We are old now. Don't put us in prison. Justice is not about revenge. It is about learning. You will not go to prison.
Instead, you will work at the National Orphanage for 3 years.
You will clean the floors, you will cook for the children, and you will learn the value of a child's heart.
Leo, I am so sorry. I was a child, but I was very cruel. I packed this for you all these years.
You kept it?
I missed you every day.
I felt so guilty. Can you ever forgive me?
Horse. Leo proved that love is more powerful than hate. Fairness won. Thank you for watching. Please comment 1 if you